Hey, how's it going, folks? This is Joe with Joe's Gaming Electronics. This is where we buy, sell, and repair brand name electronics. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to pair the Beats Powerbeats Pro. These are awesome and they're pretty simple to pair. The biggest thing you want to do is when you get out of the box, make sure the case is charged. If the case is not charged and the light does not illuminate when you pop the top, that means you got to charge the case so then the case can charge the earbuds. That's a pretty big distinction because it will not pair unless your case is charged, and then the case will have to charge the earbuds. Anyways, really simple. We're gonna go to our device and we're gonna make sure that our Bluetooth is on. Once the Bluetooth is on, we're gonna go ahead and just pop the top here. And if you have an iPhone, it's gonna simply show up on your device, as you can see here. And we're gonna go ahead and connect the device. Really simple. It tells you exactly which earbud has what, along with how much power, how much battery life the case has. So it's really simple to do something like that. And then if it doesn't pop up, you can go to your Bluetooth settings and just connect it through there. You'll see it showing up here on the bottom where it says other devices. And so it's pretty simple. You can do the same process either way. If the top has to be up. Once it's up, it will show up in your phone and you can simply just pair it on the bottom, and that will be easy to do. All right, folks, I hope that helps you guys out. We're really happy to help you guys out. If you guys have any questions or concerns, let us know. We'd be really pumped about helping you guys out. You guys can support us by buying refurbished electronics or parts off our website or using our repair service at JoesGE.com. This is Joe signing out. Hope you have a wonderful day. Take care.